Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will start by granting the right permissions. Open Settings, Search Apps, then Zarchiver. Tap Permissions and enable storage and media access. This gives read and write. Next, enable Manage All Files Access in Special App Access so Zarchiver can bypass scoped storage restrictions. Once done, verify the archive folder exists on internal storage or SD card and is not locked by another app. Make sure you're using the latest Zarchiver build, because fixes for Android 12 are included in updates. Now focus on folder-level access using the System Picker. Open Zarchiver and choose Add Directory or Extract to, then pick Select Access to use the Storage Access Framework. Grant the exact folder or SD card URI. This lets Zarchiver write where Android 12 prefers scoped access. If access is still denied, temporarily disable apps that lock files, such as backup or sync services, because those can hold exclusive locks. Finally, clear Zarchiver cache and restart the app to ensure permissions take effect. Finish by testing. Create a small zip and extract it into the folder you granted. This confirms success. If you still see access denied, uninstall and reinstall Zarchiver to reset stored permissions, or toggle any legacy storage options if your ROM exposes them. Make sure the app version matches your Android 12 security patches. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party interference, and check system logs with Logcat or a diagnostic app to find which process blocks file operations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.